My name is Russell Johnson. I'm in sales and customer service, and I worked for Bone Dry for a year and a half. The relationship between Pet Once and I began naturally. I met Gene through a networking event that Bone Dry does weekly. Through interacting with him, I had an idea that bringing treats to the homeowners from a local company would benefit us as well as the customer, because the pets are family members too.
He said, "Can you help me out with that?" I said, "Of course, you're talking my language, Russell." My name is Gene Grant, and I am the owner, along with my wife Jody, of Pet Once Miamisburg Franklin. We sell small batch food that's made exclusively for us in Columbus, Ohio. So we know how old it is. We order it 8 times a year. We know exactly what's in it. We also supply treats and supplements. We do a little things that are kind of off the beaten path, if you will, like collars and leashes. Those are all made for us locally though, but we're really just a wellness store for pets. We actually provide a treat to Bone Dry, which is all natural, and apparently the dogs like it.
So upon arriving at the home, once I noticed they have a pet, I first asked the homeowner if it's okay if they have a treat. I then let them know what the product is in case the pet has any allergies, and give that product to the homeowner and let them know that it's from Pet Once, a local established company. The homeowner is usually excited, and I know the pet's more excited. It became a natural interaction between the customer and myself and the pet, to where it felt more of a positive interaction rather than just a normal sales pitch.
I think the shared values that Pet Once and Bone Dry have are the way that we serve the community. We want to take care of pets and animals and customers and all that good stuff. You know, Bone Dry does the same thing, they just offer a different product. They offer high quality roofing and they take care of their community, and we do the same thing.
It means a lot to me that Bone Dry take an interest in such a personal touch that I do. It shows that they have genuine interest in furthering our growth just in each and every market, and showing that the little things that we do don't go unnoticed and can be incorporated into a company-wide procedure and policy. I love what I do, and they take interest in it as well.